Hello friends, we are back with Python series once again. Today we are going to learn about Python indentation. So, what is Python indentation? Indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line. Most of the programming languages like C, C++, and Java uses braces to define a block of code. Python, however, uses indentation. Indentation in Python refers to the white spaces at the start of the line. We can create indentation using 4 white space or single tabs. Indentation can be ignored in line continuation, but it's always a good idea to indent. It makes the code more readable. You can see the same in the screen. In this example, you can see proper indentation. After for I in range, it will take 4 white spaces or simply a single tab. You can see the same in the screen. We can split indentation into multiple lines using a backslash. The first line of Python code cannot have an indentation. It will throw indentation error. Without a proper indentation, Python program throw indentation error. You can see the same error in the screen. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.